This pod series continues discussing some worldly and hereafter benefits of possessing true faith in Islam, meaning, faith which is supported by actions. The next benefit is peace of mind and body. It is a universal aim and goal for all people, irrespective of their faith or social class, to achieve peace of mind in this world. It is the ultimate reason why people strive in this material world, work long hours and dedicate the majority of their efforts to this world. People desire to obtain such a life whereby they have no stresses or worries such as financial difficulties. But it is strange how people, especially Muslims, look for peace of mind in the wrong place. Just like a person who desires to watch a football game yet goes to a cricket match. Allah, the Exalted, has made it clear that true peace of mind only lies in His obedience, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and being patient with destiny. Chapter 13, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah, hearts are assured.
Whenever a person seeks peace of mind in the material world, it will only lead them further away from their goal. Whenever a person sets a target in respect to this material world, that target will only lead on to more targets. This continues until the person departs this world without obtaining what they were looking for. It is obvious that the rich do not obtain true peace of mind, as they stress more than normal people, and whatever they obtain of the world ends up becoming a burden for them. It is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2465, that the one who focuses on the hereafter will be blessed with a rich heart, and Allah, the Exalted, will organize their affairs, meaning, they will obtain peace of mind. But the one who focuses on the material world will only see their poverty and their affairs will become scattered, meaning, they will not achieve peace of mind. The one who obeys Allah, the Exalted, will find peace of mind even if they possess little of this world. But the one who is lost in the material world will go from one worldly door to another, but will never find true peace, as it has not been placed there. If a person wants to watch a football game, they should not go to a cricket match, and if a Muslim desires peace of mind, they should not search for it in the material world, as it lies only in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. It is important to note that those who adhere to the teachings of Islam will encounter difficulties throughout their lives, as this is guaranteed, but through their obedience, Allah, the Exalted, will remove fear and grief from them so that they remain firm and steadfast on the correct path. This is similar to the one who only feels slight discomfort from a medical procedure, as they have been anesthetized.